How to set up welcome email on Beehive. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can set up your welcome email. After some clients have been subscribed into your newsletter or some other product in Beehive. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find beehive.com website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. First of all, you must go into your account, and now in the left panel, you're gonna find the option settings. There in settings, we are going into admin and now into publication. And there you just have to scroll down just a little until you find, let me show you the welcome email. So you can enable or disable a welcome email that is sent to new subscribers. So just click on setup welcome email button, and there you can activate or deactivate this option, send welcome email to new subscribers. So let's suppose we want to do it. The subject line, it could be welcome to our home, let's suppose. The preview text and the content. So here you can add like some other elements like images, numbered list, some headings, whatever you need, so you can make your welcome email look awesome. And that's how you can do it. You just have to complete all this. And that's how you can set up your welcome email on Beehive. Once you have done that, don't forget to make click on the save button at the bottom of your web page, and also check the preview in case you want to do it in your desktop. So this is how it's gonna look, or the mobile. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.